Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about adding external libraries to our extensions. Not only will we learn how to add them, but we will also learn how and where to download them from. So let's start. Search for the Maven repository on Google. Here, you will find lots of libraries that you can download. Let us download a popular image loading library named Glide from here. Here, you will find its latest, as well as previous versions. Click on the version you want to download. Click on View All. Here you will find this library in all the different forms. I recommend you download AR from here. I'll tell you the reason later. You can use any zip file opening software to access its content. So the reason that I told you to download AR instead of jar is because the AR will have an Android manifest file as well as a ProGuard rules file. You can copy the manifest code from here and paste it into the manifest of your extension like this. Here is the ProGuard file. We will learn about this in the next video. Now, copy this jar file into the depths folder of your extension. Here are all its classes which we can easily make use of. Now we have to declare it in the rush.yml file. Uncomment this line. Now put the exact name of the jar file here. Now let us see if we are able to use its classes in our extension. As you can see, we are able to use it. Now, an important thing. Whenever you are going to download an external library, you need to also download its compile and runtime dependencies. If you don't do so, it may cause a no class found error. You can also download Google-specific libraries from their official repository. Here, you can find all of Google's libraries. Another repository is Jetpack. From here you can download most of the repositories listed on GitHub. Another way to download libraries is to search them first, and then add the filter of Java language. Open any one of them. Copy their implementation code, and search on Google like this. From here, you can download the library, and don't forget the compile dependency. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.